Good morning to one and all. I am Professor Vishwajit Ambade from Mechanical Engineering Department. आज का हमारा टॉपिक है न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ विस्कोसिटी। इसके पहले जो हमने थ्योरेटिकल पोर्शन देखा था उसमें मैंने आपको न्यूटन्स लॉ ऑफ विस्कोसिटी की डेफिनेशन बताई थी, जो एक्सप्लेन करती है द shear stress is directly proportional to the velocity gradient, जिसको हम डिनोट करते हैं du by dy, means shear stress is directly proportional to the du by dy. This du by dy means velocity gradient. If I replace this proportionality sign, this is mu du by dy. This mu is proportionality constant, means dynamic viscosity. Therefore, if we want to calculate the dynamic viscosity, which can be calculated by using tau divided by du by dy. ओके, इस कंसेप्ट को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए मैं आपको यहाँ पर एक फिगर ड्रॉ करके देता हूँ। एक हम फिगर ड्रॉ करेंगे, एक प्रोफाइल ड्रॉ करेंगे। दिस इज वेलोसिटी in x direction u. This is distance y. Okay, now this is the velocity profile. ये जो कर्व ड्रॉ किया है that is velocity profile of any liquid. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं, as we know, the fluid is flowing layer by layer, इसलिए that's why we'll consider this is lower layer, this layer to be considered as a lower layer of a fluid which is flowing with a velocity u, and this is to be considered as a upper layer of a fluid, upper layer of a fluid which is flowing at a velocity u plus du, which is flowing with a velocity u plus du, and this distance between the two layer is small distance dy. As we know that the fluid is flowing layer by layer, therefore the upper layer cause the shear stress on the lower layer and the lower layer cause the shear stress on the upper layer. Therefore we can say that the shear stress is directly proportional to the velocity gradient du by dy. From this equation we can calculate the dynamic viscosity, and from this equation we can calculate the shear stress which is being acting on the liquid surfaces. Now we'll start with the numerical. So numerical based on the Newton's law of viscosity, we'll consider first numerical. I am dictating this. If a velocity distribution over a plate is given by u is equals to 2 by 3 y minus y square, this is equation is given to you, given to us, u is equals to 2 by 3 times of y minus y square. This is velocity equation is given to us in meter per second at a distance y meter above the plate. Determine the shear stress at y is equals to 0. To find, what we have to find? We have to find shear stress at when y is equals to 0 and when y is equals to 0.15 meter. Again, what we are provided with? Dynamic viscosity, means mu is given to us. Dynamic viscosity mu is equals to 8.63 poise. 8.63 poise is given to us. Now solution. Before starting the solution, we must check all the units are in SI? No. 8.63 poise is not in SI unit. For that we have to convert this dynamic viscosity unit in SI unit. The SI unit of dynamic viscosity is given Newton second per meter square. Therefore we have to convert this first. Therefore mu is equals to 8.63 divided by 10 Newton second per meter square. Since 1 poise is equals to 10 Newton second per meter square. Now this is converted into SI unit. Now what is given to us? Velocity equation is given to us. U is equals to 2 by 3 y minus y square is given to us. Consider this as equation number 1. Now, what is our Newton's law of viscosity equation? Tau is equals to mu into du by dy is equation for calculating the shear stress by using Newton's law of viscosity. Consider this equation as a equation number 2. अब इस इक्वेशन में हमारे पास में कौन सी वैल्यू अवेलेबल है? क्या हमारे पास में म्यू की वैल्यू अवेलेबल है डायनामिक विस्कोसिटी? यस, वी हैव द डायनामिक विस्कोसिटी वैल्यू 8.63 डिवाइडेड बाय 10. नाउ अब हमारे पास में du बाई dy की इक्वेशन अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? ये इक्वेशन लाने के लिए इक्वेशन नंबर 1 की तरफ में अगर मैं जाता हूं तो यहाँ पर मुझे u इज इक्वल्स टू 2 बाई 3y माइनस वाई स्क्वायर इक्वेशन दिखता है. तो इस इक्वेशन को इस इक्वेशन में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? वी हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट इक्वेशन नंबर 1 विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y. देयरफॉर आई एम राइटिंग हियर differentiate equation 1 with respect to y. If I differentiate equation number 1 with respect to y, तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? What we'll get? du by dy is equals to, the differentiation of this is 2 by 3 minus, and the differentiation of y square is 2y. This is equation number 3. Okay, now if I put, what we have to find? The shear stress. The shear stress at y is equals to 0. Therefore, du by dy at y is equals to 0. If I put y is equals to 0 in above equation, then what we'll get? We'll get 2 by 3 minus 2 into 0 means 2 by 3. Similarly, if I put du by dy at y is equals to 0.15 meter, 0.15 meter, then हमें क्या मिलेगा? Again 2 by 3 minus 2 times of 0.15. Okay, now after calculating, the answer will be 0.366. तो हमारे पास में दो वैल्यूज है, velocity gradient at y is equals to 0 and velocity gradient at y is equals to 1.5. Now our next task is to calculate the shear stress. So can I put the value of this and this in equation number 2? हमारी इक्वेशन नंबर 2 क्या थी? tau is equals to mu into du by dy. If I want to calculate shear stress y is equals to 0, तो in that case mu into du by dy की जो वैल्यू रहेगी वो क्या होना चाहिए? y is equals to 0 की. Therefore, tau shear stress at y is equals to 0 will be, what is the value of mu? that is 0.860 into this is 2.3. Therefore, the tau y is equals to 0. The value is 0.5753 Newton per meter square. Now similarly, if I want to calculate the shear stress at y is equals to 0.5, therefore mu is equals to du by dy must be 0.15. Therefore, mu is again 0.86. I think it is 8.63. Yes, this is okay. 3 into what is the value of this? 0.3667. Now the answer will be 0.3164 Newton per meter square. Hope you all are getting this. ठीक है.